Yo, what's up, my guys? Welcome to the channel. It's Thomas Christopher. It's your boy again, and it's been a while. I don't know even how many days, how many months, but I guess around 7, months since I was seen even on YouTube. This face has changed such a lot of days, bro. I even forgot how to design, how even to do 3D printing. How I don't know, bro. I don't know what I'm doing, but it's okay, bro. So, yeah. But guys, next month I'm planning that I'll take just 3D printer only to do some 3D printing technology videos and designing, or maybe I'll do some RC drones, some RC cars, because those ones are not even dirty, they are so clean. You just need to print the body and some electronics component like PCBs and so like that. I don't want to do CNC machining because it's dirty, and where I'm just, it's a small room. Yeah, it's not a workshop. That's what I'm planning. But for now, we just keep ourselves spacecrafts and something like that, just to keep the algorithm alive. Because if you don't do that, then YouTube won't recommend my videos to some new viewers and new followers. I'm not using them to make money, so it's not a fair use. Even though YouTube don't like that. If YouTube realizes, and then the owner raises the issue that you are using their content, they get copyrighted. And when you get copyrighted 3 times, you get a warning. 5 times, your channel gets suspended, and that's it. Termination of a channel is a very bad thing for a YouTuber. If you know very well, it will be very bad for my YouTube channel to be suspended, and that's the thing that I don't want. So I'm planning that on the next month. That's around November. Yeah, I wanna take one of my machines, only 3D printer. I don't want to take the CNC machine because CNC machine is very dirty. I just wanna take 3D printer. I wanna be doing 3D printing for the entire period. I think that I will be dealing only with 3D printing now. And if it's CNC engraving, then I will do motherboards only. If I take CNC, that's only for motherboards. I cannot make anything else because it's kind of dirty. It's kind of dirty. And so guys, if you're very new to the channel, click the subscribe button, share and like my project with your friends, and don't forget to protect yourself during this event. Good luck, guys. I love you.